Hi everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Sherane and today I have an unboxing slash first impression for these gorgeous Sebastian Milano and J.W. Anderson sandals that I purchased from Baltini.com. Now this is my first time purchasing from Baltini.com. I came across them randomly on Google when I was searching to find the Sebastian Milanos for a better deal than what I've been seeing on Farfetch, and I did. I got them for nearly half the price that they were listed for on Farfetch.com. These sandals are made out of nylon, so you definitely want to be more careful when it comes to wearing them. Unlike the J.W. Anderson, which is fully leather. The Sebastian Milanos are pretty narrow, so if you have a wide foot, you may want to go a half a size or a full size up. They are so pretty, they're so gorgeous. I love them. They just are a statement sandal. I'll definitely be wearing these a lot during the spring and summer this year. Now these J.W. Anderson sandals I've been seeing for a while. I originally saw them in black and was gonna pick them up, but when I came across these orange, I just could not resist. This color is so beautiful. I love them so much, and they're fully leather, so the comfort is just on a different level. There's definitely a significant price difference between these and the Sebastian Milano due to the fabric alone, and that is understandable. Although these run narrow, they don't run as narrow as the Sebastian Milanos, but if you do have a wider feet, you may also want to go a size up in the J.W. Anderson. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.